My boyfriend has been manipulating me for 7 years and I took my time to deal with him. For the past 7 years, I've been a foolish girl in love, but not anymore. Now, I started dating this guy when I was 19 years old. He brought me from the village to the city, went to school, he paid my tuition fee and everything. I graduated in his house. Everyone in my family knows him, that he's going to marry me, that sort of thing. I went to Open University, so I was going to school from his house. So everything I know today, he practically taught me, apart from the fact that he's a manipulative man and he does anything he likes to me like he owns me. He often told me that he owns me and I go nowhere, there's nothing I can do. I have been a foolish girl, to be honest with you. I was actually very, very timid. First of all, let me start by saying that this man does not rate me as a woman at all. I will be in the house and this man will bring in another woman into the same house I am. We live in a 2-bedroom flat and he practically makes me arrange the other bedroom like a hotel room. There's AC in that bedroom and the room where we are supposed to be sleeping together, there's no AC, only fan. And when he wants to be alone, he will go to that room. It is only when I want to make him happy, when he wants to do bedroom exercises, that he allows me to be inside that room. And I've been enduring this nonsense for the past 7 years. Not just that, he's very abusive towards me, both physically, mentally and otherwise. He made me feel so worthless around him. Like, this man will insult me. There's nothing he has not told me. Absolutely nothing. I will cook for him and his girlfriends that he will bring to the house. I will wash their clothes. Even when his friends comes to visit, I will cook and wash their clothes. I've been treated like a slave in his house. I will go to his shop and sell and just act like a house girl, a sales girl and a slave to him at the same time for the past 7 years. I've taken out multiple pregnancies for this guy, almost 8 as I speak to you. The last one that happened was earlier this year and that made it the 8th one, and this guy is yet to marry me. I don't even care about marriage anymore because I have told myself that I cannot settle for this kind of man. So I took my time and I dealt with him. Now this man is very, very easy to deceive.